critical thinking and innovation design. It is on behalf of the SRIIT. It initiated a program called IIT, Institution Innovation Council. Right? On behalf of this, we are organizing this design thinking, critical thinking and innovation design. Design thinking, the plus critical thinking will arrive to innovation design. Right? So this is mainly focusing on this is mainly public centric, people centric. So people problems have to be empathized, and based on that, so we have a problem statement, and for that problem statement, we will think about the feasibility of smart solutions. Based on that, if it is and then define clearly say a problem. We have to fix the problem. We have to come out with the statement, problem statement. So then convert your observations, what we are observing locally, convert those into problem statement, and then focus on the root cause, not on the symptoms. Right? We have to focus before thinking our target is not on the symptomatic situations. We have to focus on the root level problem. Then
by combining empathy through design thinking, evidence through critical thinking, and creativity through innovation design, we can build an India where safety is the norm. Generally, safety should feel natural, but in reality, it often feels like a privilege. As you all know, the current global issue, the Epstein files in the US, exposed how powerful men exploited women and silenced their voices till many years. And the many disturbing cases like the Hyderabad Disha case has also witnessed many disturbing cases. And the SRIIT is reported catching over 4,000 offenders in 2025 for harassment, stalking and lewd behavior in public places. Women today do everyday struggles like carrying pepper spray in their bags, sharing live locations with family,
for identifying the root cause instead of only focusing on surface level problems. Now, innovative design will bring that idea into life, making it more practical and meaningful, which will make the idea feasible for the users to use. So, I have chosen the college case study about counseling services, where most of the colleges already provide